Hello all, welcome back to the next one. In this one, how do we set up Java environment variable on a Mac system? And in the next one, we'll see about the Windows system. So if you have a Mac and you're trying to set up the Java home, let's continue. The first thing you want to do here is you want to open a terminal. What you do here is you press Command spacebar. This brings up the Spotlight search and you type terminal. And this will bring up your terminal. So in the last one, we installed Java, right? But that does not mean that it has set up the Java environment variables for us. So that is something that we need to check. What we can do here is we can do echo dollar Java underscore home and hit enter. So right now we see that there is this blank empty line, right? Which means the Java home is not set up, and that's what we are trying to set. We want to set the Java home properly. What we can do here is we can open our bash profile on the Mac. So I'm gonna use nano, or if you want to use vi, you can use any command. Basically these are commands to open any file on a terminal. If you are not aware of multiple editors like this, nano or vi, just follow what I'm doing. So nano, the sign slash dot bash and profile. So this is the file you wanna open, and please carefully notice these things. This is the sign just above the tab key, and then this is a slash, then a dot, and bash underscore profile. After nano you need a space, so please make sure you type perfectly if you are just new. Otherwise, if you already are aware of these things, just go ahead and you hit enter and you see something like that. So basically what we want to do here is we want to set the Java home. So I already have the command up there. I just want to uncomment it. I just already typed it because I wanted to save some time typing stuff. So what you want to type here is export space and then capital Java underscore capital home. Please make sure that you type everything correctly, and then equal sign and then dollar, and then you start the parenthesis. This is the usually number 9 and number 0 key for starting and ending the parenthesis. You press shift and start that. After that, slash user libexec slash Java underscore home. This is small, and then end the parenthesis. So that's all you want to do here. I have some other settings for Python and all, so don't worry about them. Once you type this, all you want to do here is either you can add it to your path also. So there's a path variable in bash profile. Either you can just add this dollar Java home, but I think, and then slash bin, it will be actually good, but I don't think it's necessary, but we can just give it a try. So but I would say, yeah, why not just do that, because it's always good to have these things in the path. So just I'll uncomment this also. So what you can do here is you can do export space path is capital, equals dollar Java home. So now what we are doing is we are referring this variable that we defined here using the dollar sign and dollar Java home slash bin. So wherever the Java home is, slash bin colon and any other path you have. So I have this auto share bin, but you know what, I'm just gonna delete it so you guys don't get confused. So then again, dollar Java home slash bin colon dollar path. So it again refers the path. So basically it adds dollar Java home slash bin to the existing path and it assigns it back to the path and then export the path. So basically you can just simply do something like this. And don't worry about these lines. These are done by my other program which uses Python. So don't worry about it. So, but you can do something like this. And I'm gonna hit Control O. It tells me write name, file name to write, and I don't need to change the file name. And I'm gonna hit enter. So it has written, it says wrote 9 lines, and then I hit Control X. So it's gonna kind of exit it. Now what I can do here is I can do source and then just copy the same name and then hit enter. Now let's again try the same command, echo dollar Java home, and we might get it working. Yes, it is definitely working. So now what it does is it shows my real Java home path. And please do not compare this path with the path that you might have on your computer. It definitely can differ. Yes, it can be different than what you are seeing on screen. So please do not worry about it. All you need to take care is just follow the procedure, type this echo dollar Java home, and you should see some path. That should be it, because it will be different for your system. And the next thing, if that also doesn't set up properly, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to type java dash version, and if this thing returns the correct Java version that you installed, then you're all set and good to go. You don't need to worry about anything. So if I type this thing, it says Java version 1.8.0 underscore 60. So this is the version that I actually installed, and I know that. So basically I'm all good and set. This is also becomes optional, but it's always good to have Java home setup. I would always suggest it. And please try Java space dash version, and if you see that you have a correct version, then you're already set and good to go. So that's about it. For Windows, please see the next lecture, and thanks for ending this one. Thanks a lot.